In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image in a shape using Canva, a versatile and user-friendly design tool. Canva is a fantastic platform that allows you to combine creativity and simplicity with just a few clicks. Let's dive in and explore how you can effortlessly add an image into a shape, enhancing your design projects. To get started, first head over to Canva's website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, signing up is easy and free. Once you're logged in, you'll see the option to create a new canvas. You can choose the dimensions that best fit your project, whether it's for a social media post, a presentation, or any other design needs. With your blank canvas open, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu and click on Elements. This menu houses a variety of design elements that Canva offers, including shapes, lines, and graphics. It's a treasure trove for any design enthusiast. Next, go ahead and search for Frames in the search bar within the Elements tab. You'll see a range of options appear. Click on See All to explore the complete selection. Frames are a special kind of element in Canva that allows images to be inserted into them, offering a polished look to your design. Now that you have access to different frame options, select the shape frame that suits your vision. Simply click on your chosen frame, and it will promptly appear on your canvas, ready to be customized with an image. Returning to the left-hand menu, click on Uploads. This section allows you to bring your own images into Canva. Here, you can upload an image from your computer. Select the image you want to use and watch as it uploads quickly into your Canva workspace. The next step is where the magic happens. With your uploaded image visible in the Uploads tab, drag the image over to the shape frame on your canvas. Once the image is in position, release it, and Canva's intuitive interface will automatically adjust the image to fit perfectly within the confines of the shape you've chosen, creating a seamless display. And there you have it. You've successfully placed an image within a shape using Canva. This technique can elevate your design projects, making them eye-catching and professional. Whether it's for personal use or business purposes, understanding how to utilize Canva's powerful tools opens up a world of creative possibilities. Thank you for joining me, and happy designing!